Okay, so here is my review of the HOZAN chain pliers. So it's a chain link plier specifically made for removing and clipping roller chain. Number 35, 40, and number 50 for the P220. And number 35, number 40, number 50, and number 60 chain on the P221. So the specs are a little better on the P221, and I bought them both because I thought that the P220 only worked end-on perpendicular. But I didn't realize that the P221 actually can work on the side or perpendicular. So the P221 is definitely the one to get over the P220. Let's take a look at how they work. So the P220 only works end on. So here's the chain link right here. You got the instructions, you've got the pin side and the clip side, so I have to turn it around this way. Just like that. Okay. Now, this is where I don't like the P220. It's very difficult to get this distance right here to the next pin obstructs the end, and they fixed that in the P221. So if you get it on a sprocket where you can rotate it, it will get it, but it's really fussy and fidgety. Okay, but there, I did get the link on. I had to put my finger in the way to hold the chain. All right, so let's put the P220 aside. Let's grab the P221. So on end, just like that. Okay, then you get the clip ready for installation, just like that. It's a little more fidgety with this one on the side, but it does work. Make sure I'm just getting the clip and not the link under it. Come on. I did it before. I actually practiced. Okay, there. Okay. So then we put that back on. Turn the pliers over. And it's machined in such a way that it can get, because they've got this round part ground here so that you can get right next to that link that's next to it. Actually, I wonder if it would work better if I went all the way across. Let's see here. I don't know, I think there we go. Okay, and then it's got the clearances for that. It definitely is easier to do this with the pliers end on. It just pops it right off, and then installation is the same way. But that is the one to get. The HOZAN P221 made in Japan. It's a nice, precise pliers. That's a good tool. That's a good tool to have right there. Skip the P220, get the P221.